My dear CA aspirants, in this lecture, we will discuss one RTP question for intermediate. Subject is strategic management. Let us see the question and how to proceed with the answers. Also, we will see. One of the important points while reading the question is that first try to understand the meaning and then try to get the correct interpretation so that your answers are perfect and you score well. Great. Let us go to the question, my dear students. ABC Pharmaceuticals, a leading pharma company, is in the process of formulating its strategic intent. What do you mean by strategic intent? Strategic intent means what the firm is determined to achieve, what they want to do, why they want to do. These are all things which we have learned in our regular classes. The top management of ABC Pharmaceuticals wants to define the company's future direction, where they are heading towards, objectives and goals. So these words, future directions, objectives and goals, these are all words we have learned in our first chapter of strategic management. Their aim is to create a vision that sets the organization apart and provides a roadmap for future growth. So the company wants a proper statement for their future growth. So ABC aspires to enrich the lives of people by producing high quality pharma products at competitive prices and wants to become the world's leading pharma company by 2030. So they have a futuristic vision. Now, by reading these lines itself, you should remember, my dear students, we are talking about the strategic intent. The question also says the word. So in strategic intent, we have learned four main important concepts. What are they? The vision, the mission, the goals and objectives, and values. So you should remember all these four. So while reading the question itself, if you could able to recollect this, then you are bang on. Now, based on this context, draft a vision and mission statement that could be formulated by the top management of ABC Pharma. So the question is very clear and crystal clear and very on dot, that they are asking us to write a vision and mission statement, that is draft of vision and mission. So let us see how this question has been answered by our institute. ABC Pharma may have the following vision and mission. Vision means it implies the blueprint of the company's future positions. That means it is one of the important statements which is being delivered by every company. We have learned in our classes the vision and mission statements of HDFC, Apple, LIC and all. Hope you remember. It describes where the organization wants to land, their futuristic position. By 2030, this company wants to be the world's leading manufacturer of pharma products. That's what. And then ABC Pharma may have vision to be the globally recognized leader in pharmaceutical innovation and enriching the lives of the people worldwide by providing high quality, affordable and accessible pharmaceutical products. So these are all the statements which they can give it. That is high quality, affordable and accessible pharma products. So this is an example. So basically, if you remember one or two vision statements of a company, then while during writing the exams, it is easy to create the vision statement of any company. The question itself will have a clear point about how the vision is heading towards. That's what your point of focus should be. Then mission. Mission delineates the firm's business. What do you mean by delineation? It describes, it explains what the organization, why the organization in this business, this is what. So its goals and ways to reach its goals. It explains the reason for existence. in the society, why they are doing this business. It is designed to help the potential shareholders and investors understand the purpose of the company. Why I am doing this? Why this pharma company is doing this kind of business, this kind of products? So why I am doing a CA course? To become a chartered accountant, to become a highly valuable auditor or a tax consultant, like that. This is about your course. Now, in this case, we can see that the company's vision and mission statement express the strategic intent of the company. Now, let us further see. So, ABC Pharmaceutical may identify in the following lines how to create a better vision, mission statement. What are they? To improve the well-being of individuals, because pharma products are for the livelihoods of human beings across the globe. Communities, by relentlessly pursuing excellence in pharma research, development, and manufacturing. So, you might have heard the word of patents. It's an intangible asset where most of the pharma companies do have. That's why pharma research is more important. So what their mission statement says here, that a continuous, relentlessly, without any rest, they are focusing on their research so that they can provide better products and services. Committed to producing safe, effective, and sustainable medicines. The medicines should not have any side effects. So, by providing safe and effective to address the unmet medical needs, some medical needs are still not yet met, and needs enhance and quality of the life of patients. So, to improve the quality and the life of the patients, they are doing all these research and bringing in good product and services. And finally, through innovation, collaboration, and ethical practices, we aim to make a positive impact on global healthcare and become the trusted partner of healthcare providers and patients alike. So, we want to be a trusted partner for all the healthcare industry and also to the patients. So, see, my dear students, how the vision and mission statements are framed. So, these are all the ways for you to answer in the exam. It can be a pharma product, it can be some other product like agriculture product or some other machinery, manufacturing of some machineries. So, any question institutes can frame. But your way of answering is to understand the strategic intent very clearly. Hope you understood the explanations given by the institute properly. This is the way to prepare for your exams. Another important point to be noted here, this comes in chapter 1. So in chapter 1, what we are learning? We are learning the meaning of concept of strategic management, the importance of strategic management, the strategic intent, and what are the different levels of strategic management, the corporate level, the business level, the operational level, the functional level. We learn this. So you have to focus on these points carefully. And remember, one of the important point is the value statement and the values. Clear, my dear students? Thank you. All the best.